Hi guys, welcome to my channel and today's video is Ajio haul. तो मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ कुछ festive kurtas which I've ordered from Ajio website and I will give you all the links of all the kurtas and all the dresses which I've ordered. So मैं और पूरे links आपको share कर दूँगी. So let's start the video. So the first video is this Avasa kurta set. So it's a kurta set with plazos and dupatta. So it's yeah. So मैंने order किया है extra small size and it fits good to me. So this is Chanderi dress with it looks like this. So इसमें थोड़ा थोड़ा सितारा वर्क दिया हुआ है and it has a V neck and it also comes with a lining. So ये रहा उसका with 3/4 sleeves and यहाँ पे buttons नहीं दिया है. So the sleeves doesn't come with the lining. Okay, and this is a cotton dupatta. So ये actually it's a what do you say? It's a printed one. There is no embroidery over here. It's a printed foil print. Yes. And this is the plazos. So it comes with elastic and there is a nada over here, cotton nada. So this is a plazo pants. So ये रहा first kurta set. Then another kurta set is again from the brand Avisa and the size is extra small. तो आप size chart रेफर करके आपका size के हिसाब से you can order. So this is again Chanderi dress with 3/4 sleeves and you have buttons over here. So आप ये buttons को open कर सकते हैं and it comes with the lining. Yeah, and it's very soft material और इसमें ये work किया हुआ है, golden and green thread work किया हुआ है. Then the plazo pants is again elasticated. There is no nada and this is like a satin fabric with the lace detailing down. And dupatta is a plain chiffon dupatta. There's no work. So this is the it's a set. Then the third one I have got is again from the brand Avisa. So it's a kurta set but without dupatta. So it's a A-line kurta. So it's a A-line kurta with foil print and then you have like a jacket, but you can't remove it because it's attached jacket. Or under it's foil print and outside again it's a foil print with the border over here and you have embroidery work going on the neck. And again the 3/4 sleeves comes with foil print and the lace. And sorry guys, these are all little bit wrinkled because I've recently shifted to another place and I have just took it out from the boxes. And the plazo pants is very good. Actually you can pair it up with some other things also. It's a fuchsia pink color and it's very thick. Again it's elasticated with nada, तो आप इसको t-shirt के साथ भी pair up कर सकते हो with jackets. So this is the third set. Then the fourth set again it's a kurta set from again the brand Avisa. So it's light yellow color. So it's a long kurta with attached lining, cotton lining. Again it's very soft Chanderi material and you have all the embroidery and the sitara work going on. And the size is again extra small size. So all my kurtas is extra small size. It's a full length kurta, long kurta it is, and it's not a plazo. It comes with a pant, cigarette pants. So it's a golden foil print cigarette pants and you have cut over here and again it's elasticated pants. So guys, you have to refer the size chart and order according to your size. So none of the kurtas I have altered because it fitted me well and this is the last kurta in today's haul. So this is the same print with a different color because I like this grey color with peach combination. So again, it's grey color kurta and you have the buttons over here. So these buttons can't be removed, it's all attached, it's all stitched. And again, this extra small size, it's a full length kurta and comes with a peach color cigarette pants with foil print. Yeah, sorry, I have one more last set. So this is again from the brand Avasa, and this is kerchief A-line kurta, and इसको मुझे थोड़ा alter करना पड़ा था because it was loose on the waist size, and this is what fabric? This is like linen fabric actually, and you have the prints with little bit embroidery work going on, just like the dots, golden dots, and it comes with cotton plazo pants. Again, these pants you can team up with another kurtas, and you know you can use it. It's a very versatile pant. Yeah, guys. So that is all I have for today's haul. If you like today's haul, please like and subscribe my channel, and you know, अगर आप और कुछ products देखना चाहते हैं तो please you know give comments in the comments box. And thank you guys. Bye bye.